Hi guys, have you ever looked at a competitor's ad and wonder how they find uh, how they are finding amazing creative that actually works for them instead of spending a lot of time and guessing what might perform, what might not perform. You can study the ads, product and strategies that are already gaining a lot of attention. So today in this video, I'll be showing you guys Pipiads, how Pipiads can help you discover trending ads, research competitors, and find inspiration for your next campaign or next ad that you want to run. What basically is BPAD? Let me just give you a little bit introduction about BPAds. It's an advertising, intelligence, and ad research platform covering platforms such as TikTok and Facebook, and it allows marketers, e-commerce businesses, agencies, and content creators to explore advertising creatives, analyze campaign activity, research product, monitor competitors, all in one platform, all in under one roof. You can try and get the trial of this and play around here with different options. Let's just go through all options one by one. You can have a trial. You can have a trial. I will mention my affiliate link into the description. You can use that link to to sign up and and get a free trial, and you can play around in PP ads in order to see what this platform actually does. So let's just start with, here is ad search. In ad search, you can ad spy onto the different ads that are being run all across the globe. And ad library, here is advertiser, ad tracker, influencers, and find similar by image. Here is another option for that is that consists of AI tools. Different they have different AI tools: video transcript generator, image translation, image text removal, video text translator, and so on. The list goes on. And then there we have e-commerce. If you are a e-commerce or Shopify guy, or if you are looking to go into this e-commerce field, you can also explore these options. Here is TikTok shops and so on. The list goes on. As I've already mentioned, you can come here and play around. Let's just start with AdSpy 2. What is AdSpy 2? AdSpy is basically uh, it gives you a different type of ads that are being run across the globe on platforms like TikTok and Facebook. Let's just start with Facebook. I'm just giving you an overview. You can have your trial account. You can come here and you can sign up, and you can play around with different tools and see uh, what PP ad actually does. Let me just start by typing a keyword. You can also select these different options here and select the options here. You can basically select different options here, and with that suits you the best, or you can play around. So right now there is no keyword, and here like a lots of products that are being shown into the list. So let's just start by typing in keyword. As you can see, like I'm typing here home decor. You are into this home decor category. You search for home decor, and you are basically added the filter Facebook. So what basically it will do is it will show the ads related to home decor onto your Facebook ads that are being run across the globe, or related to this category, that is home decor. As you can see, there are a lot of options, lots of ads that are being currently run onto the Facebook across different countries. You can see here. And basically, if you are e-commerce and if you want to hunt product as well, you can also use this tool. But let's just spy on. Let's just do the ad spy thing over here. So as a we have to see basically which ad is performing best here. You can look for the creatives, and you can also explore different options. So let's just see. Let's just say this ad basically is basically a product. That is related to home decor. It has like 3.3K impressions, which is good. And 160 days, it's this ad has been running for like 160 days. It means that this ad is running fine, so that's why it's been running for around like 160 days. It's huge. Friend, let's just try something different. So we can remove this home before thing, and we can just select on this Facebook option. If you are a drop shipper or in e-commerce, you can also select this as well. But let's just select e-commerce. Okay, the platform for this will be the Shopify. Okay, what type of category that you want? Let's just say I want to add home and garden. You can select as per your category. Okay, so you can also select the region, use the language, and impression as well. Let me just select impressions, that is around 10K to 100,000K. So let's just see what shows to us. See, it is giving a lots of options to see. Basically, you can also say product hunt here. So let's just take this ad. It's been running for like a lot of 84 days, and it's a lot of good impressions. We can also click on that. Let's just see this product. Okay, it has like 49.3K impressions in 170 days. Let's just click on this ad. You can actually come here and download this, and you can play around with different things and different options over there. It's basically what's the estimated cost, what are the estimated orders, and also it's huge. This platform is huge. It's gonna give you an detailed insights about any ad that you want to search. Oh, so this was about ad spy. You can explore other options as well, but you can also let's just go for e-commerce as well. In e-commerce, you can also see the winning products here. You can also see if you want to do the drop shipping, or you can also e-commerce as well. Let's just test try with this e-commerce, and this time here we are not typing any keyword, and let's just keep it to TikTok and Facebook as well. Oh, let's just the category that we want to select here is, let's just say, automobile and motorcycles. So let's see what this Pipiads gives us. Yeah, here it is. It gives you a lots of options. Let's just add impressions as well over here. I'm gonna add 1K to 10K. Let's just wait and see what results are being shown. So here it is. It's basically the products that are being run, and it's been like you can select any product that you like, or you can see the details of that product, or you can play it out over here. So that was all about from my side about the PP ads. It's a good tool. I would recommend you guys to have a trial and try and play around with this tool and see. It has lots of amazing options. It's gonna make your life much more easier, and you can do a lot of things if you're in e-com, or if you're a marketer, if you want to spy ads. So this tool is a good option. You can come around here and play around. So that's all for now. Have a good day. Bye bye.